for my question, ma'am, you weren't able to sit at the House after Cardema blocked your proclamation. For the record, ma'am, for those who are asking, ma'am, may mga nagsasabi po na bakit hindi na lang daw po kayo nag-sidestep para makaupo sana yung mga original nominees, ma'am. Can you clarify that po?
Sidestep? Ako?
Opo. Di ba may nag-substitute po kayo after the...
Yeah, because the first nominee was our chair, was a polio survivor, and was survivor of breast CA. Her daughter had stage 4 aggressive breast CA. So she could not sit. So she told me, since you have been advocating for PWDs and you're retired now, why don't you just campaign for us? Sabi ko, I'll campaign for you. So I campaigned, di ba? And then she decided di talaga kaya because they'd go to the hospital three times a week. So, di talaga kaya. So, that's a fact. Hindi yan namin lie. Ano ba lie sa Tagalog? Ha?
Gusto?
Lie?
Like?
That's not a lie.
Lie kasi nungalingan, ma'am.
Hindi yan kasinungalingan. Totoo yan. Sidestep ako para makaupo siya. Siya naman talaga dapat uupo. Nag-take out na nga siya. Si Grace Ineza, taga-UPBA, consultant of the ADB. Brilliant people in P3PWD. Brilliant and accomplished people. We have family members who have disabilities. Totoo kami. We are a genuinely marginalized sector. Totoo yan. Hindi kami kontraktor, kagaya ng iba dyan.
Ma'am, just a follow-up question, ma'am. In 2019...
I was not able to sit because of the personal venganza of Cardema. I'm the one who paid the highest price for supporting Leni Robredo. And you all know that.